Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. This is the second in our part of our series, What Say You #2, where we take comments that, as I call it, rattle around in my brain for a few days, and I want some more information, or I want more opinion or examples or whatever the case may be. So I take those comments and I write them down, and we're going to talk about them a little bit more here, because I think on YouTube, the threads get lost. There's so much data and so much information that it kind of gets lost. So it's good to pick out a few every now and then and highlight them and dig a little deeper into them and get other people's thoughts on everything. For audio recording, acoustic treatment is the only way to properly fix problems for playback. A DSP is a useful tool and is cost-effective for playback, right? Okay. A smooth frequency response is a smooth frequency response no matter if you get it with treatment or DSP. Okay, so this is a comment that was on our YouTube channel. The second one that I want to talk about a little bit more, whether you record background vocals singing behind a concrete wall or whether you record them normally and add low pass filter and space on afterwards, the effect you get is almost indistinguishable in the hands of a skilled engineer. So those are two comments about recording, DSP, processing, and stuff like that. So let's open it up for discussion. Let's see what other people's opinions and thoughts and examples they can provide in this situation. And we'll continue this What Say You series, and this is the second one. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.